Changing the air filter on a Scania 420P-XT. Start by removing the top Jubilee clip, and then the one at the back as well. You can also remove that hose clamp if it's going to cause you trouble. Slip there, and then undo the service cover with an E10 socket. They're captive bolts. Shift it all out the way. It's annoying, but it will move. And just pull the filter up. Clean it, or don't. This one runs day and night in farms, so it's getting it clean. Now, some people won't. I always put a bit of rubber grease around the lot. Just helps create a seal, helps it come out easier. This one's notched, so it can only go in one way. Just put it in and twist it till it falls in. Do your service cover back up with your socket and start wiggling around. Now this looks like it could be installed alright, but actually he's got a bit further to go and he clicks in quite nicely. Do the Jubilee clips back up and he's ready to go. Always replace O-rings with the filter. Grease or oil can help create a better seal, and torque the caps to the manufacturer's specification. Lightly lubricate threads to prevent seizing, and consult the workshop manual for more information.